Yeah, blessed my fanatics, my folks, them the audience who wearing a mask. What a Ross Cloud badness. Yo, wanna know some like listen to the music, my people, you to the state of violence, but me I tell you no. Yo, the grimy lyrics. You understand? Yeah, feeling skilly bang saying what? What? Say them is bad, them is not. Yo, no ramp with me artist, the east side, on go on away. Me say lyrics in a this like a whoa. Pop, 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 pop. Listen to me, my people, my fanatics, my audience. All I know we like a badness music. On have to go listen to the one that said them is bad, but them is not. You understand? Remember me tell you that. My people the tune shot. You understand? The man them a go on a way skilly company scene and skilly and a joke with the thing. You understand? But hear this now, my people. Skilly come in with a ton load of youth them was skill and very skillful. And Popcorn in the video endorsing the thing. Big up yourself, Popcorn in a coffee video. Popcorn all over the place in a protege video. Popcorn, big up your Ross Cloud self. Popcorn is a Ross boss. You understand? So big up on yourself, my youth. Them, you know what I mean? Rate the medley, the tune bad. Say them is bad, but them not. You understand? Let me show you how the tune go for me now. How me feel the tune now when me say them is bad, them is not. Love for them little fool, yeah. I run up. You understand? I spit them lyrics and I drop them lyrics and whatever. And the man I try show them say, oh, them things that for them badness bad. No, them things that for them badness bad, but they are not. He's gonna show them the real badness and the bare lyrics in the badness. Yo, one of the youth say, yo, your marrow will take a passport. How do you say that? That means your marrow will fly off. Wah! Lyrics. Listen, Bob, say them is bad, them is. And some fool will over have them mouth and go like say, oh, them can defend thing and can't defend it. Can't enough of them stay so say them is bad, but them is not. And when the police them lick them and them is not. And when time the man them go for them and them go on like them bad, them is not. You understand? So the tune here, bad lyrics. You understand what I mean? And east side of show say, oh, we there. Them now go nowhere. Skilly bang. Me I tell you, Skilly. Pop! Me rate Skilly. My people who like Skilly. Please leave on the likes and them thing there. Who like Poppy? You don't know Popcorn are the boss. You understand that they unruly boss. So all of the unruly camp people them who rate Popcorn left a like and all them sitting there. And big me up. You understand for giving them recommendation. The tune only like 3 months old and they depend on 4 million people. So you know so we are listening to it. Hard. Mommy I say I want bad gangster tune my people. I want bad like a medley with whole heap of good artists in night. Remember me tell you, enough of them say them is bad, but them is not. Yo, enough of them go on like them bad, my subscribers, but them is not bad like you. My subscriber them is the baddest. Big up my subscriber them, my baddest subscriber them on YouTube. You understand? Cause oh, enough of them say them is bad, but them is not. You understand? Jeez, when you go listen to the tune, I swear me I say, big up on yourself, my people. You understand what I mean? One love, blessed by your children and everything. You don't know, say, the music on the lyrical, so on a real war. So, yes, we're excited about the lyrical. You understand what I mean? And them are going good. You understand? Big up on yourself, my fanatics, my folks. My audience.